Peace and harmony in all the world. What's that noise? Oh no! The countries are fighting.
Can't play in the sand pits. Yes, we can. It's not. Stop arguing! Susie, you're always telling people what to do. No, I am not.
What is happening?
America, Russia, Spain and Greece won't share the sand pits. Holland is being bossy. You're the bossy one.
That is enough. Is this how you think the countries of the world behave?
Don't they?
Of course not.